There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind. The time has come to look forward to a post-COVID-19 world. The severity of the virus cannot be taken lightly, having taken a toll on the healthcare system throughout the world and affected the lives of many. A technology that would combat this virus at the source has become the need of the hour. With this in mind, J-Clean, an ISO certified company having generated over 1 crore as seed funding to scale up the production of the Aeron 1000 by DST Government of India. The J-Clean Aeron 1000 is spearheaded by Dr. D.B. Jadhav, founder director and F-level scientist. He has also served Government of India as the joint director of the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. How it works? The Aeron 1000 generates over 100 million negatively charged superoxide ions per second. These negative ions combine with the moisture in the air to form highly reactive hydroxyl radicals. Radical treatment. The hydroxyl radical engages with the positively charged viruses, bacteria, fungi, pollutants, and other allergens present in the air and neutralizes them by oxidizing their outer membrane. It is especially effective against viruses as it chemically reacts with its molecular structure and damages the spike protein, thus rendering it incapable of causing infections along with restricting its spread within a closed environment. Health benefits. Immunity boost. The negative air ions can be widely effective in offices and homes to build the immunity of family members and staff. It will also improve metabolism, respiratory and cardiovascular function. Expert approval. The European Medical Association has stated that additional negative ion therapy along with plasma therapy can cure critical patients of COVID-19 patients within 48 hours. Reduced fatigue and better sleep. Alive, alert, and enthusiastic. The negative air ions will act as an antidepressant, improving your mood and giving you increased energy, both mental and physical, so you can concentrate and perform better. Upgrade your lifestyle. With just a 4 to 6 hour exposure to the negative air ions, your disease resistance will be enhanced significantly. It also purifies your environment of hazardous air pollutants. The new normal. Negative ions, positive health.